Third planet from the Sun, Earth is the third planet in our solar system, located approximately 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers, away from the Sun. It's the only known celestial body to support life. 70% water, approximately 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water, primarily in the form of oceans. This abundance of water is essential for supporting various forms of life and regulating the planet's climate. The blue planet, Earth, is often referred to as the blue planet because of its striking blue appearance when viewed from space. This color is due to the reflection and scattering of sunlight by the water and the atmosphere. Rotation and day-night cycle. Earth rotates on its axis, completing one full rotation approximately every 24 hours. This rotation creates the day-night cycle we experience on the surface. The Earth's axis is tilted, which is responsible for the changing seasons. Mount Everest and the Mariana Trench. Earth boasts both the highest point and the deepest point on land and in the ocean. Mount Everest in the Himalayas is the highest mountain, standing at 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, above sea level, while the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest point, plunging down to 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters, below sea level.